The U.S. Air Force and Raytheon, and RTX, tested the AIM-120D-3 developed under the form, fit, function refresh, known as F3R, from an F-16 fighter jet. The AIM-120D-3 is the most advanced variant of the AMRAAM missile, with upgraded circuit cards in the missile's guidance section, allowing for continuous software improvements. Developmental and operational tests of the AIM-120D-3 included captive carry and live fires from both U.S. Navy and U.S. Air Force 4th and 5th generation platforms. The production ramp increases as the company signs contracts with $1.15 billion awarded in June 2023 and $972 million awarded in Sept 2022.